It's hard. Here, do you want me to?
Here, you want to try?
Oh my god. Try that one. Oh gosh, Daddy almost. He almost. Oh my god. That noise.
What are you doing?
The bubble. Oh gosh.
They don't make bubbles, they make farting sounds.
Actually, it's kind of frustrating but funny at the same time.
Yeah. The first time when we're trying to do it. Yeah. But I lost so long. Oh my gosh. It's not working. You try. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't. Next line, please.